Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video with Olivia, and today I'm going to be showing you some of my slimes and my shaving foam here in case any of the slimes get sticky. But let's get on with the first slime. This one is called Lavender Kisses. It's a really nice fluffy slime. I make my fluffy slime slightly differently. Sorry if there's any background noise, but I can't tell my family just to stop talking whenever I'm shooting a video because you just can't really do that. So yeah, this one is a really nice slime. It's a bit sticky, but because it's a foam, I don't know if you can see, but it does have some foam beads in. I'll try and show you. There is one foam bead, but there are different foam beads. So yeah, they are different colour foam beads. So I do want it to be a bit sticky because I hate it when foam beads fall out. In my personal opinion, yeah. Let's get on. Oh, this one is called Lavender Kisses, by the way. I can't remember if I said it. But let's get on with the next slime. So Lavender Kisses has a twin. I don't know if it'll pick it up on the camera, but it's a slightly darker colour. I don't know, the camera might not pick it up. But anyway, this is a twin to Lavender Kisses. And this one is called Very Berry Burst. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. But if it doesn't, it is more of a darker purple colour. It probably won't pick it up on the camera. This one is a little bit over borax, but the beads don't seem to be falling out, so I don't really know how that works. So yeah, I'm just going to add a tad bit more shaving foam, but yeah. So if you're wondering why are you adding shaving foam and not activator, shaving foam, in my opinion, makes the slime more stable, but I don't think it works for all of you. It just tends to work for me. But let's go on to the next slime. Next slime is Stationery World. I couldn't think of what to name this slime, but I added paper clips into it to make it more of an interesting slime, because I think that, just not a lot of people are creative. So mine's got green paper clips in, but it makes it super crunchy and just really nice to play with. So I'm going to be making 2 videos in one day. So once I've finished this video and this video is uploaded, I'm going to be making another one of how to make jiggly slime. But I'm going to keep a slime base. It will probably be this one. So I think this one will be super nice as a kind of jiggly slime. The reason why I love this slime so much is if you open the lid, all the foam beads, this one does have foam beads in because I had loads of foam beads left over and had no idea what to do with them. So I just made 3 slimes in one day and just decided to, yeah. So here's what the paper clips look like. They're green. Nice green paper clips. But if you just don't have, if you know how to make slime and you have the ingredients and you just have a load of things that you don't use anymore and need to use up, just put them in slime, because make sure if you're adding in paper clips, obviously you don't really want them falling out, which is fair enough because I don't really like it when that happens. Then you can just add really random stuff. So yeah guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to subscribe, smash a thumbs up and hit the notification bell for every time I post, and comment down below for future ideas of DIYs or videos you want to see. Bye guys!